verse. Then for the chorus, it goes. Then it goes into the verse. It goes to E minor 7. In the dark. You can get this chord down here. In the dark. Cover the Isley brothers. Then in the verse they go and then for the chorus they go Okay, so let's go over those 3 parts. The first riff is B minor 7 at the 7th fret, and then you play a 9th. You're just kind of strumming the bottom 3 strings. That little fill is D string on the 7th and 9th, back to 7, and then you go 6, 7. Then you go skip to the A string at the 9, go to 7 and back to 9, and that is your where you go back to the B minor 7. Right, and then we play this just B minor 7 to this is F sharp minor 7. Playing it at the 9th fret, A string root, back to the and then when it goes into the chorus, we go this is an E minor 7. And then we go to a C sharp minor 7, which you can get at the 4th fret. Then we go back to the F sharp minor 7. And then we come back home to the B minor 7. So that is 4 chords in the chorus. Hear the footsteps, baby. In the dark, in the dark. You can also play that C sharp minor 7 at the 10th fret, 6th string root, just like you're playing the B minor 7, same shape. In the dark, in the dark, in the dark. I just went down here because that's what I saw in the video. The guy in the canyons was getting the C sharp down here. Does sound kind of deeper. Okay, have fun playing that. Thanks for watching. Bye.